Step outside, sunshine glows, it's a joyful ride. Still wagging a happy dance, every step feels like a chance. Oh, the world is bright when we roll. With my furry friends, I feel at home. Paws on the pavement, hearts in sync. Every barking wagon makes me think how much I love you, my loyal friend. With you by my side, my joy won't end. Chasing leaves, in this moment my heart believes. Squirrels starting a playful chase, in this simple joy we find our place. Oh, the world is bright when we roll. With my furry friends I feel at home. Paws on the pavement, hearts in sync. Every barking wagon makes me think how much I love you, my loyal friend. With you by my side, my joy won't end. So the park under the trees, every step brings a gentle breeze. With every wag my worries fade, in this bond to love parade. Evenings glow with a sunset hue, side by side just me and you. A simple walk but oh so grand in every part.